everyone, and welcome back to Matthew Wister. Today we're going to be covering another chemistry topic, specifically moles and how to calculate the number of particles in a substance. Before getting into that, we first have to know what the definition of a mole is. Well, a mole is a unit of measurement that allows chemists to measure the number of particles in a substance. They can do this through the unit of measurement, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. Now, in order to figure out the number of molecules or particles or atoms in a substance, we have to use that unit, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23, multiplied by the number of moles that we have in the substance. To get some practice in, let's go to this question here that says, what is the total number of molecules contained in a 0.50 mole of oxygen at STP? So, what matters right now is molecules and moles, because those are our two main factors that we're going to focus on. So this question is asking us to find what is the number of molecules, meaning we can use this formula up here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put a variable in order to represent the number of molecules that we're trying to find. Then we're just going to input Avogadro's constant, or avocado, however you want to say it, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23, multiplied by the number of moles that they give us, which is right here, 0.5 or 0.50, whatever you want to say. There you go. And now you just multiply it, you put it in the calculator, and you're going to get something like this. 3.0 times 10 to the power of 23. What this number right here represents is the total number of molecules contained in a 0.50 mole of oxygen at STP. So you could just say molecules. So what we basically did here is we went from moles to molecules or atoms or particles. And that's basically how you figure out the number of particles in a substance using Avogadro's constant.